What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a FLUXnode update, guys. This is the 7th month that we've been running our Nimbus node from, we're actually not Nimbus. Nimbus node. Here on the channel. So
did you say Nemesis?
No, I said Nimbus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Not the same thing. Close, but not the same. So we've been running that for 7 months now, so we're going to go over the monthly earnings, as well as we have some Flux news and the overview for the last week. So, but of course, a word from our sponsor. All right, so guys, as you can see here, this is the our overview from our parallel mining tokens, as well as our full earnings from running the Nimbus node. Of course, as you know, running a Nimbus node, you need 12,500 flux in order to run one, and you get paid out right now for the Nimbus node. It's been around every 5 to 6 days, give or take. This says around, what, 3 days, according to this. Oh yeah, no, 3 days. That's right, yeah. So next payment is in 3 days as of, I don't know, it was like 2 o'clock in the morning on the 20th, right? So right now that breaks down to about 2.93 flux every cycle or every day, and plus 1.46 on the parallel assets. Now, here is our breakdown from what it was last month. Last month we had a standing total of 13,193 flux, and our earnings that month was 103. That's just the flux, not the parallel assets. This month we are sitting around 13,287 flux. So we had a positive of 93.75 flux from last month over to this month, currently as it stands. Our parallel assets that we accumulated last month, we were at 485.62. This month we are at 5,551. So we gained 65 flux on the accumulated through the parallel assets. Now that's split between all of the chains, of course, but you can go back to main chain. Speaking of main chain, remember, if you have, like how it says right here for me, 57 possible claimable, or like 28 possible claimable, as you can see on the top section if you use this page, you need to claim these before the snapshot happens, which we'll go over here in a second, but make sure you claim those before the snapshot, otherwise they're not eligible for like rewards. Now, you don't have to convert them back into flux, make main chain. You can leave them as parallel assets. That's perfectly fine. But you do need to claim them. That way they are in your wallet. All right. And that goes with like other snapshots. So we just had the Ergo snapshot. If you still haven't claimed that, you need to claim that before the 31st of October. So that way you don't miss out. But there's our total breakdown over the last month of running the Nimbus node. Alright. But kind of like I said, right here, the upcoming dual flux snapshot. That's right, dual. So we have another dual parallel asset that will be snapshotted on the 31st of October. Alright, so that puts you on a Monday. So we don't know the time exactly, but on that day, any flux that you hold in your wallet or have accumulated thus far is eligible for the snapshot. I think it's around like 4 to 5% of what you were holding is will be airdropped 2 times, right? Or you'll have a claimable reward. 2 claimable rewards. So this is a dual, kind of like the last one. Now we do know we still have atom that is coming out for parallel asset claimability. We don't know when, but we know that's not included in this dual snapshot. So there are 2 other rewards on most of the mining pools. You see there's parallel asset 9 and 10. This is 9 and 10. So we'll find out on the 31st, or maybe a little bit sooner. Maybe, I don't know. As soon as I know, I'll let y'all know here on the channel. But as it sits, we do not know. But they will be some of the finals for most of what the pools have set out. There is possibilities for more snapshots in the future, but as it sits right now, there was up to 10 scheduled, and will be number 9 and 10. So on top of that, guys, the Flux highlight overviews as of October 19th, which the 19th is our monthly day for FLUXnode per month. So the overview of that day was 71 cents per Flux. CoinMarketCap ranking was 136. Market cap was down 8.32%, 198 million. 24-hour volume was up almost 24% on the 19th. So that's interesting to see. Market cap was down, but the volume was up. The Flux price change over that last day, of course, was down a little bit. That day was a red day in a little bit, so not too bad actually in all things like relative. Geolocation 2.0 is live, so now dApps that run Web3 dApps have the chance and an opportunity to geolocate if their dApp needs to be geolocated according to regulations and whatnot. That is available, and it is more precise, right? So that is all we really have here for the FLUXnode monthly updates. We have, of course, the snapshot coming, and kind of like I was saying, make sure you claim your parallel assets from your nodes. That way they are eligible. If you haven't claimed your Ergo snapshot, make sure you claim that. That way it's eligible. All right, because if you don't claim them, they won't count towards the snapshot. They don't have to be turned back into mainnet Flux, but they do just have to be claimed. All right, so we'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Much love, peace out. We'll see y'all next monthly update, and we'll have more updates from the Family Mine this week, of course, because Nim is here. And yeah, see you on the flip side, guys. Much love, peace out. Keep on mining and stay savage. Have a good one.